What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. We got Dewalt Xer. This set is something I had to get after I got a wrong one, but this is the Xer one. This is the proper one, and let me show you why I got exactly this model. And I'll also leave the link of this in the description so you guys can check it out too. This is basically a combo of an impact gun and a drill. This is the DCK2051D2 in case you need the exact number for it. So it does come with a charger. You can charge the both 12-volt battery and also the 20-volt battery that comes with this one with this charger. And then we will also have a bunch of paperwork for all the devices we have. This is the impact gun. This is for the battery and charger, and this is for the drill itself. Now let's go to the drill. So this is what the drill looks like. It's very rugged looking. It's got 15 gears, and then it got the drill option, and then 1 and 2 on top. And we also have 3 options as well. Down here, there's like a blank, and then there's, I don't know what this is. This might be for the light actually. And you could also pivot the light into the direction that you need it to be. This is literally first. I've never seen that before. That is super cool. This is the chuck. Chuck looks amazing and shiny. It's metal construction. This is probably going to be very rugged. This is Dewalt 20-volt XR brushless motor. So it'll run and stop very quickly. So I'll open one of these batteries up. You get 2 amp hour battery, 2 of them. So let's put this on. I guess, yeah, so this is setting for the light here. We got 20 minute. We got, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is, so I think this is just like turns on and off over, like, if you're using it. And then this is just off. If you don't want to use the light at all, you can just turn it off. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So this is the profile of the, of the drill. It's pretty heavy, but I think it's going to be super powerful. This is the impact gun. This is kind of why I had to change the previous one that I actually got, because they gave me a larger impact gun. I want to be able to put this in my backpack and have it in a compact scenario where I carry it everywhere. I'm going to put the 2 amp hour battery on this. That sounds really nice. That sounds really, really nice. Beautiful. It got 3 lights, and with this one there's 3 options, right? So if you want to put a screw in without stripping things, that's 1. And then if you want to go through studs and stuff with the paddle bit, you can go all the way up to 3. So there's a lot of option for that. Atomic, 20-volt brushless. This is not XR. I don't think this is XR. Or did this say XR? Yeah, this is not XR. It doesn't say XR on it. Then we have 2 belt clips for the 2 devices. Now you could put on either side, and this is a lovely bag that you can carry everything in. Let me show you guys. This is a 4 amp charger, so this will take a really less amount of time to kind of get everything charged up. This is a newer construction. I haven't actually seen this model yet. It has this thing here so you don't mess up the wire with long time usage. It has a pretty long wire as well, 2-prong, so you can pretty much charge it anywhere. This is DCB1104. That's the part number for this one. So yeah, so we got an XR and an Atomic series. XR is the drill, Atomic series is the impact gun. We've got battery warranty for 3 years. Also, we got 3 years for tool warranty as well. So yeah, you're pretty much safe for 3 years of work. Yeah, I mean, these usually last me like 5-6 years, sometimes even more. So beautiful stuff, great stuff. If you guys want to purchase these, I'll leave it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.